Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is the Morning Gardener and I'm at a garden center here, Home Depot, and they're fully stocked. $24 for that, $19 for this, and we have lots of Miracle-Gro products here. Give you an idea how things are priced this year. And we're getting ready to, okay, we got all-purpose gardening soil. This here is $8 a bag Miracle-Gro product. We have pepper plants, $5.48 a piece. Now, when you look through the pepper plants, you want to look through, because some of them, depending on the way they grew them, might have 2 plants in one pot. And that will help you out along the way. And we got jalapenos. And how much are they going for? Well, it's the same price. And you have all kinds of peppers here. They have a good selection of peppers. All the way down here in the bottom shelf, the middle shelf, the top shelf. $5.48 for lettuce per unit. $5.98 for more lettuce. And here we have the collard greens, which, my goodness, $5.48 each unit. Spinach, Swiss chard, etc., etc. And here's another one here called kale. $5.48 a unit, each unit. I'm growing it at home. And you have your strawberries, which is $14.98 per pot. If you know what you're doing, you can grow a great number of these out of this pot. I bought a pot like this once, and when it was all said and done, I had 40 plants. You could do better than that, actually. These are blooming, getting ready to bloom. And I guess that's it, folks. I mean, all the rest of it is just like ornamental plants, that sort of thing. $19.98. And we have plenty of cages and all kind of soil products. I'm gonna set this here for a second. Well, no, I'll keep it with me, because sometimes a car can disappear on you. Now look at this right here. Look at all of this right here. All these soil products, which, in my opinion, you don't really need. You don't really need all this. It's just soil with wood mixed in. So stuff will grow in it, but you could do this at home. Collect the leaves in the fall and, oh, wait a minute. Look at this right here. Now these are lemon. Now this is a rarity that you usually don't find in these type of stores here in Maryland. This is let's say $30. This is a lemon tree. And this here is one of those other lime trees. How much is a lime tree? Same price. Now, this is zone 7B. And these are plants that you have to, they will produce lemons in about 2 to 3 years. And another thing is, these plants don't really belong in this climate, because you got to bring them in and out, in and out, in and out, and as the weather gets colder. So that's a bit of a headache. I mean, it'd be nice if we could grow lemons here in Maryland, and you could, a lemon or lime here in Maryland, where you could definitely do without the bringing them indoors and that sort of thing. Because I mean it's citric fruit, so it's good for you and it tastes good, and you can make teas and juices out of it. But in my opinion, unless you're up for this, I'm all the way up on the top shelf. Unless you're up for bringing it in and out, in and out, in and out, these won't survive at the temperatures we get in the winter. I mean, it got down to 6 degrees Fahrenheit this winter, just passed. Partially. $14.98 for that container. I can grow you all the parsley you want. Save the seeds and everything. And we got a tomato plant here. It's been touched a little bit by the cold. You can see that how the leaves look. So it's not liking this cold weather sitting out here, but they get them into the stores so that they can sell them. $19.98. And when you're buying this stuff, you got to keep in mind, it's not warm enough yet. And we got a ton of all kind of herbs, which is very good for health and also cooking. $14.98, not a bad deal. And that should do it for today. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the Morning Gardener Show.